Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about library management system. Abstract. Library management system is a process which aims in developing computerized system to maintain all daily works of the library. This project has many features which are generally not available in the normal library management system, like facility of user login and facility of teachers login. It also has a facility of admin login through which admin can monitor the whole system. It has also the facility of where students, after logging in their account, they can see the list of books issued and the issue date and return date also. The students can request the librarian to add the new books by filling the book request form. Librarian, after logging in into his account, admin account can generate various reports such as student report, issue report, teacher report and book report. Overall, this project of our is being developed to help the student as well as the staff of library to maintain the library in the best way possible and also reduce the human efforts. This is our project flow diagram. Our project is a library management system. We have two users, one is admin, another one is a student. Admin is a person who monitor the whole system, and here the admin's actions. Admin can add, update, delete the categories of the books. Admin can also add, update, delete the authors. Admin can add, update, delete the books, and admin can also register the students, and then admin can edit their own profiles too. Then student login. After student login into their account, student can visible their dashboard, and the student can update their own profile. Student can view the issued book by admins, and student can change their password. These are all the actions which admin and students are going to be done. Now we are going to see our project output. This is our home page. This is administration login page, and this is the user registration form where a user can newly register and login. This is the user login page where he can log in by using his email ID and password with the use of a verification code. First, I am going to log in with the admin's username and password. Admin's username is admin, password is also admin. We want to enter our verification code. This is the admin's dashboard. Admin can add the category, new category, and manage the category. Managing means editing the old category, whether it is in active status or inactive status. And then admin can add a new author and manage the author, whether author's name by changing the author's name. Next, admin can also add the new books for library, book name, category name, author name and ISBN number, and he can also add the price for that book. And then admin can manage that book by editing the price, ISBN number, author's name, category and book name. Then issue new book. Admin can issue the book to the student based upon the student ID and ISBN number of the book. And admin can manage the issued book by generating the report of the issued book for the students. And then admin can register the student, and he can also block the student, and admin can change their own password by entering the current password and enter the new password. These are all the activities which admin is going to be done. And then I am going to log in with the user email ID and password. Password is 123, and I am going to enter the verification code. This is the student's dashboard. Student can view their own profile and update their profile, and then student can also change their own password, and student can see the issued book. What are the books are issued by the admin? This is the student dashboard where student can see the books issued and books not returned yet. Thank you.